How do I make a car accident report? If you've been involved in a car accident, you should always contact the police to file a car accident report, no matter how minor you think it is. Insurance companies often see a police determination of who's at fault for the crash as highly persuasive evidence. Being able to point to an official police report that supports your side of the story can help you avoid situations where the only evidence you have is your testimony. Here's a quick guide. What is a car accident report? A car accident report is either filed by a law enforcement officer or a person involved in a motor vehicle accident. The report summarizes the details of the accident, including the damages and injuries caused, the parties involved, the location of the accident, a narrative summary of the events, and any citations or tickets issued or charges made by the police. How do I make a car accident report? Reporting methods can vary depending on where your accident occurs. If you've been involved in a non-emergency car accident, you should contact the local police department for non-emergencies just to inquire about how to make that report. But you should always call 911 in an emergency situation. Do I need to file a police report for a car accident? Under Texas Transportation Code Section 550.026, you are legally required to immediately inform law enforcement if you're involved in a motor vehicle crash that results in any of the following: injury to a person, death of a person, and/or damage to a vehicle to the extent that it cannot be normally and safely driven. Regardless of the legal requirements, a police report can provide crucial evidence supporting the other driver's liability in your car insurance claim. If it's not clear who's at fault based on the damages to the vehicles involved, it's even more essential to have a police report as evidence to document what actually happened in the crash. By looking at the damages to the cars involved in a rear-end collision, it's typically fairly apparent that one car hit the other from behind. Compare that to the damage on a side impact crash, where it could have been caused in a variety of different ways. In these instances, a police report documenting witness statements can support your side of the story and strengthen your claim. How long do you have to report a car accident? Well, it's best to report your car accident within 10 days of the incident. While CR-2 forms are no longer required to be filed with state government, municipal jurisdictions may require you to file a police report. For example, Houston Code of Ordinances Section 45-286 requires the driver of a vehicle involved in an accident within the city limits resulting in property damage in excess of $1,000 to report the accident either to the investigating police officer or in person at the police department. That has to be done within 24 hours of its occurrence. The time limits and reporting requirements will vary depending on the location of the accident. Do I have to contact my insurance company? Most auto insurance policies do require drivers to report any crashes they are involved in to their insurance providers, regardless of who's at fault. Anytime you're in a car accident that results in property damage, injury, or death, you should contact your insurance company as soon as you can to make the report. While it's best practice to contact your insurance company within 72 hours of an accident, your policy may have notification deadlines. If you've been involved in an accident, make sure you review your policy and comply with any reporting requirements. Failing to do so may cause your claim to be denied. When should I contact a car accident lawyer? You should contact a knowledgeable car accident lawyer as soon as possible after a motor vehicle crash. As for-profit businesses, insurance companies will try to pay you the lowest settlement amount possible. Claims adjusters are trained to look for any reason to deny or diminish your claim. It's best to have an experienced car crash attorney on your side. Your attorney can manage all communications with the insurance companies involved, so it's essential to contact a personal injury lawyer as soon as possible. The earlier you involve a car accident lawyer, the more they can help you. If you have any questions, contact us at Attorney911. We protect victims like you every day. Call or email anytime. We sincerely want to hear about your case. Thank you for watching.